In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix Discord error 306 quickly and safely on Windows. This issue can happen when Discord has corrupted files, a broken install, or leftover data in your app data folders that keeps the app from launching properly. The good news is that you can usually fix it in just a few minutes by fully closing Discord, removing the damaged files, and reinstalling a fresh copy. If this tutorial helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy software fixes. All right, let's get straight into it. First, we need to fully close Discord. This step is important because if Discord is still running in the background, Windows may not let us remove the files properly. Press Ctrl, Shift, and ESC on your keyboard to open Task Manager. When Task Manager opens, look through the processes list for Discord. If you see it running, click on Discord once to highlight it. Then choose End Task. Make sure Discord is completely closed before moving on. This helps prevent file locks and ensures the cleanup step works correctly. Next, we're going to delete the corrupted Discord app data folders. These folders store temporary files, cache, and settings, and if they become damaged, they can trigger startup errors, like error 306. To do this, press the Windows key and R together to open the Run dialog box. In the box, type %appdata% and press Enter. A File Explorer window will open inside the Roaming AppData folder. Look for the Discord folder, then right-click it and delete it. This removes the roaming data that may be causing the issue. Now we need to delete the local Discord data as well. Open the Run dialog box again by pressing Windows key and R. This time, type %LocalAppData% and press Enter. Another File Explorer window will open, but this time it will take you to the LocalAppData folder. Find the Discord folder here too, then delete it as well. By removing both folders, you're clearing out the corrupted files that can stop Discord from loading correctly. After that, it's time to reinstall Discord cleanly. Go to the official Discord download page in your browser. Make sure you are downloading it from Discord's official website so you get the latest and safest version. Click Download for Windows to get the installer file. Once the download finishes, open the setup executable and let Discord install fresh on your computer. A clean reinstall like this replaces damaged components and usually fixes the error. Once the installation is complete, launch Discord again and sign in. In most cases, error 306 should now be gone. If Discord opens normally, that means the corrupted app data files were the problem and the fresh install fixed it. If you still have issues, you can restart your computer and try launching it again. But for most users, these steps are enough to resolve the error. And that's it. You've now fixed Discord error 306 by fully closing the app, deleting the corrupted app data folders, and reinstalling Discord cleanly. If this video helped, please give it a like, subscribe for more troubleshooting guides, and leave a comment if you want help with another Discord error. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.